See if you can guess this impression.
I do a tremendous job. Oh, she got it already? Oh, that's incredible. That's got to be the fastest guess I've had.
Well, okay,
It's amazing.
why is your impression actually so good?
I have no shortage of material. None whatsoever. If I run out of material, which wouldn't happen because I've got a very large brain. Huge brain. Oh, look, there's one of my flags. You see it on the boat? It's an incredible flag. It's probably the best flag. It's probably made in China.
That was so perfect. Oh my goodness.
You know what? They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. They're eating the animals of the people that live there. It's crazy. But there's nothing we can do. Nothing we can do.
I'm crying.
It's a dog-eat world. Dog-eat world. You know what I'm trying to say. And I know a lot of big words. Huge words. Some of the biggest words they've ever come up with. Because I've got a very large brain. Huge brain. One of the biggest brains they've ever seen. You girls like laughing, I can tell.
I don't think I've ever heard anyone do such a good impression before.
So good.
Oh, that's so
Yay.
perfect. Man. How'd
I've
you even
already-
figure out you can do that?
I have a little one. We were in Walmart. She wouldn't listen to me. I pulled out this voice. Her face turned red.
No.
Get your butt over. I'll spank your butt. You get your butt over here.
That's so funny.
Oh, there goes the bridge.
That's the perfect impression and the perfect way to embarrass your child.
I know. You need to just stand up.
Yeah. You should do stand up for sure.
It's on my list. First, I need to find a bucket. It's going to be a huge bucket. I got to make a bucket list. It's probably going to be a pink bucket.
Yep. Absolutely.
That's perfect.
And I'll start with a sit-down routine. I'll sit here. You guys are locked in. I'll sit here with my Whopper because I'm the king. When you go to Burger King, do you get a crown? No.
No.
They give me a crown because they know I'm the king.
I love it. Oh my god.
I'm not looking forward to prison. No, siree.
No. No, absolutely not.
Rudy and I in the same cell? I don't think so.
Nope, can't do it.
Now, if I were gay, maybe Jim Jordan or Josh Hawley. But I'm not gay, so we don't have to worry about that.
I'm not gay. I'm gay.
Totally not gay. I'm the least gayest person you'll ever meet. I know.
Oh, actually, yes.
So what's on? So do you have a plan?
I have concept of a plan. I really do.
Concept of a plan.
It's going to be a tremendous plan. First, it's going to be a tremendous concept, and then it'll be a plan. Because I've got a lot of big plans.
Oh my god.
I think, first of all, I'm going to try to find a way to get to Canada. I need to get out of the U.S. because I'm not looking forward to, behind the bars and all.
I'm dead. Oh my
Which is fine because I don't drink anyhow. So
I don't think that,
people say, Donald, don't drink. You're stupid when you drink, so I don't drink. And when you're president, you can say retarded too.
yeah.
You can say
Apparently,
all you want. You can
you
say
can say
retarded.
anything you
god.
want.
Oh my god.
Oh man, that was fun. That was the last thing I happened to me.
What? Did you say you're expecting? Uh-oh. I need a... Hello? Yeah. I need another non-disclosure agreement and $130,000 cash. Did you take crypto?
I definitely take crypto. Oh, and you're quick on your feet. You really do need to do stand up.
You really do.
Well, I tell you something. If this doesn't work out for me, it's like the witness protection program in a way. I just have to... I'm incognito. I got my wig here. But I'll tell you something. Not a lot of people know this, and I'll tell you girls because you're pretty cool. The J in Donald J. Trump,
Yep.
it stands for genius. And I am totally a genius. I really am.
That was the best
Thank
thing
you
ever.
so
You
much.
just made our day.
Yay!
Have a great day.